What's up everyone, welcome back to Digital Knowledge. In today's video you are going to see how to add box shape symbols in Word file. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. There are two types of ways to enter box shapes in your Word file. Suppose let me just enlarge the font size for you, and now write Digital Knowledge. Now click on it, and here you can see under the paragraph section there is an option of symbols or bullet points. You can add a square type bullet point from here and choose any type of bullet point you want. As we want the square symbol, we are using the square one. There are different ideas to add square symbol in your file. So for that, let's head over to Insert tab, and in here you can see a shape option. Click on it. It will give you a drop down box, and in here all you have to do is click on the rectangle shape, and with that, once you have selected that, click on Shift and make any square you want or box you want, like this. Once you have made that, if you want it to be black or white or adjust it in size, you can do that from here by shape fill. With that you can make it black, and with shape outline you can make its shapes outline black too, and in any color you want. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.